Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got this nice vintage Coach Ergo Zip bag to share with you. This bag is in the color Mahogany Brown, and the style number for this type of bag was 9025, and this specific bag was made in Costa Rica in the 90s. And I'll go ahead and give you a close-up of the bag now. So here's the front of the bag. It is a shoulder strap bag, so it's got a somewhat shorter shoulder strap. So it does have a small mark on the shoulder strap there too, but it's not very noticeable. So here's what the side of the bag looks like. And here's the other side. And then here's the front of the bag. And then here's what the bottom looks like. And then I'll go ahead and show you the top of the bag. It's got a zip closure with a leather zipper pull, and then I'll go ahead and show you the inside now. So here's what the inside of the bag looks like. As you can see, it's kind of a medium-sized bag, I would say. So you could definitely fit quite a few items in here, I would say. It's a pretty convenient size, and it does have a slip pocket that pulls out. So here's what that looks like, and here's the creed. So actually it was made in 1998. I can see that now in the creed, and it was made in Costa Rica. And then here's the style number 9025. So that's what the creed and the inside of the bag looks like. And it does have this little slip pocket here. So that's what the Ergo Zip bag looks like. I will of course link the Etsy listing below if you want to check out the bag further. And I will also leave all the bag background information that I mentioned earlier in the video down in the description bar. And also please remember to subscribe to our channel if you'd like to stay up to date with new videos that we're posting. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.